And so we all know the future is going online, but until we break whatever chains are holding us back and step out and create the future we want, we'll get the future that's decided for us. It's true, some people learn to build an online business because they want to, but so many more couldn't find security and independence in the life they had, and an online business gives them the future they control. If you're looking to take control and create your own security for life, then get the free workshop series, which will show you how you can create an online income and the self-reliance to match. Let's be real, when we start out in life, we have so many dreams, the things we're going to do. And yet before long, the focus turns towards coping with the knocks and setbacks that working life brings. That Sunday evening feeling grows, and so we find ourselves putting on this mask, this shell if you like, to hide the real person inside. And we know that if we continue to follow the path that society sends us down, we will continue to have that future that's decided for us. And we have this niggling, a calling, to find a place where we can own our lives and earn a living independent of the decisions of others. And we get past the meaningless mental barriers that we hide behind. The I'm too old, too tired, it sounds too good to be true, or I can't learn something new. When we get out of our own way, it really is possible to build an online business and create that stability for ourselves and those we love. Some time ago, I was in that place. And then I watched the same videos you can access now by clicking on the link. The videos demonstrate how ordinary people with expert guidance can follow clear steps to create a sustainable online income. They give you an insight into business types and possibilities available to us all. They explain what it takes and how you can grow in time to create a business, whichever path you choose. And they introduce you to a community of like-minded individuals building their own online businesses. And you can do all of this while you continue to work, if that is what you want. Now, this kind of independence was what I wanted, and I didn't even know it existed. And they show how all of this is possible. But don't take my word for it. See them for yourself. Click through to the website. Let me know where to send the free workshops that might change your understanding of what you think is possible.